Hello and welcome to Yes You Can channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to upgrade the RAM and replace the battery for a laptop HP ProBook G8 G9 G10. So any of them three models it will work. Turn the laptop on the other side. There's 5 screws in total that need to be unscrewed. The top 3 unscrew but it doesn't remove, and the bottom 2 remove. So I'm gonna unscrew the top 3 now. Fast forward this video. Now I'm gonna remove the 2 screws at the bottom. So as mentioned, the bottom 2 screws, they actually come off. So with a magnetic holder just like this, I can remove the 2 screws, or you can actually pick it up, either way. So guys, once the screws are sorted out, you need to tilt the laptop 180 degrees. Now in between this little gap here, you need the tool. So you can use your credit card, or you can use a tool like this, a pray tool, and just scoop it in between the gap and across the cover until you get a hold. So just like this guys, you need to do it across as well. So you put your finger in between. So this takes time actually. I fast forward this video to save time, because we're gonna be forever, not forever, but you know, 5-10 minutes. So down as well. So, and at the bottom across. So just slide it across just like this. So any flat tool will work. So now you grab it with your fingers. As you can see, slowly it's removing. So I'm gonna do it again, this time on that side. So now hopefully I can remove it. Yes, it's released. So this is the motherboard of the HP ProBook. So the RAM is here guys. There's 2 DDR4 memory sticks. One is occupied, the other one is empty. So before we start, if you want to upgrade the RAM, I do suggest you need to remove the battery. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in total. So release the 6 screws, and then you lift up the battery. Before you lift it up actually, you need to pull down on this battery connector. So as you can see, you can use your finger, or you can use a flathead screwdriver, either way. So I'm using my finger. As you can see, it's coming off on each side. You've got to pull it down. So take some time. I don't recommend yanking the cable out, just in case it may break. So just out of precaution, I would suggest doing it like this. So once that's released, that's it. That's your old battery. So now it's for the battery replacement. The new battery, it goes in there. But what I suggest you do guys, you put the connector in first, so it makes the installation more easier for you. So you just slot it in. I will just do this now. Yes, as you can see, I've slotted it in. Just double check that it's fully connected into that slot, which it is. So like I said, you don't have to remove the battery to upgrade the RAM, but it is recommended online. So now you just align the battery in there. Once that's all done and in place securely, you put the screws back in guys. So now the RAM upgrade. Insert it this way. Yeah, it has to be not facing the stickers, so backwards. So you line it, you push it in That's it, it's very simple. This is the CMOS battery. This is where it's located. Very easy to replace. You just pull it off and that's it, you lift it up. This stores the date and time and the system settings. So guys, you put the casing back on. Stay tuned and I'll show you how it looks like once the RAM installation has been done. So it's time to switch on the laptop. You will get an error message. I'm going to show you, I'm going to fast forward this. You will get a message like this, post error, which will basically say that the memory is different from the last setup. You press the enter key and you're all good, guys. Please like and subscribe. If you found this video useful, please consider buying me a coffee. The link is in the description and pinned comment section.